Hi, sweetheart. Grandpa Birch here. Are you ready for another story time? I think I got one for you. Don't push the button. Let's say goodnight by Bill Potter. Don't push that button. Hi, Larry here. It's time for bed, but I'm not sleepy. I say, we push the button instead. That button right there. Oh no, pushing the button made me super sleepy. Will you help me get ready for bed? Okay, let's take a deep breath in and out and out. Bath time. Can you pop the bubbles? Pop, 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 pop. There's a ducky in here. A little rubber ducky in his bath time. Did you pop the bubbles? Can you help me pick out some PJs, some pajamas? Heck, my shirt's stuck on my horns. Can you help pull it down? Oh, tug on his horns. Tug on his shirt. Tug on his shirt. Thank you. Now we brush our teeth. Can you show me how to brush? Oh yeah, you're good at brushing your teeth, aren't you? Whoa, you're a super toothbrusher. Now we pick a stuffed animal. Pick your favorite little teddy bear. I'm choosing my special bear. Tap who you want to pick. You want an elephant or a little doggy or a bug or a dinosaur. There's a green dinosaur. How about the teddy bear? Time to read a story. Hey, you're already doing that. You're reading a story. Ooh, look how many times he can see into his own story. You don't think I'm gonna go to bed without a hug, do you? Hug, hug, puppy, hug. Can you turn off the light? Ooh, flip the switch and turn off the light. Ah, last thing. Did you tuck me in by turning the page? Did you tuck me in, please? He has his bear, he's got his PJs, he's got his bath time in. He's sleepy. Thank you for helping me with bedtime. I'm so cozy. Sweet dreams. It's time to get ready for bed. But whatever you do, don't push the button. That's it for the day. What did you think? Don't push the button. Let's say goodnight instead. All right. Short little story. That's it for now. All right. Bye for now. And remember, Grandpa Birch thinks you're special.